Okay, in this video, I'll show you real quickly how to use the Topical Authority Enhancer. And you're going to be using Zim Rider, the product vault. Grab your topical authority and then put it into AIMasher. So let me show you real quick how to do it. We're going to bring in Zim Rider. I'm going to go to AI Vault, activate Topical Authority Generator. Okay, now you'll put in your keyword right here. It will be a broad concept. And I've got some that I'm going to be doing for a new site, and it will be on e-bike buying tips. I'm just going to go with the smallest possible for the video here. I'm going to use GPT Model 4 1106. This is the future GPT-4 Turbo. And let's just do 2 of each of these and create Topical Authority CSV. Okay, it will come back and say successful, and it's going to be in your output folder. Now I'm going to go over to AIMasher, click on the dashboard, make sure you're in the dashboard to start with, and we're going to go Keyword Masher, Topical Authority. This is what we're going to click, and I'm going to click Add. Come up here and we'll say e-bike buying tips. I'm just going to give it the same name, and we're going to bring it in from a CSV, not a clipboard. Okay, ignore the first line, which is the header row. And let's bring in Browse, Downloads, in my Zim Rider output, e-bike buying tips, upload. This is what you're going to want to turn on to activate this. Okay, but before we do that, let's rewrite it. We have preview, English, temperature, avoid common words, rewrite title from a copywriter style perspective. Let's just do this one. And rewrite in the style of an e-bike product reviewer. Okay. And I want to focus it on the keywords and subheadings. It's the only one to choose from right here. And I'm going to execute all. Now it will go through all these and it will create additional categories. So I'll do execute all, updated successfully, and we got to make it active. Hit refresh. And when you make it active, it's going to go ahead and start processing. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Enhanced, processing, waiting. So you want to get to the level of enhanced. Right here. Hit refresh. Looks like we're halfway done. Refresh. Almost done. Okay, so just review. We got to put in the broad concept right here. And then we'll come down here, and once we've uploaded it, then we can add title prompts. What type of title do you want? What type of outline focus prompts that you want? And let's see where we're at. Okay, they're all enhanced. I had 8 items. So let's take a look at what they look like. So this is what Zim Rider gives us. The topical cluster, a long tail keyword, the type, blog post title, and then this is the category. So here's what we're enhancing. This is going to be the new blog post, Your Perfect E-Bike Awaits, Newbies Edition. New outline focus. If you'll notice on this, we're giving it a numeric list. We're changing it. We're looking at the topic itself, and we're putting in some categories in here. Okay? So it breaks it down into a little bit more detail. Then we merge it in to a CSV spreadsheet. Okay? Now, once you're all done and you're ready to go, then you can come up here. I'm going to close that. Close that one. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy all of them, all the enhanced prompts. And now I'm ready to go over to Zim Rider. Go into Bulk Rider, and I'm going to paste. I just hit Control V. I pasted it in there. Okay. Then I do my selections, section length, and let's make it short. Second person, literary, enable list. Skip a mid-journey here. Enable key takeaways, sure. Enable H3s, absolutely. Let's put some facts, short answers. Audience personality, Let's give them maybe Explorer. Here's my model. And I'm going to use auto style. And I'm going to skip the automatic keywords, featured image. And yeah, let's go ahead and make a stable diffusion photographic. Subheading images. I'll go ahead and put some in there. And let's do every other H2. Stable diffusion. And go back to photographic. Okay. And I'm going to disable conclusion. Enable progress. Okay. Now, typically, I'm going to come over here and put in a custom prompt. And I like to use the one that I created, which is prompt for everything. And I'm going to set the temperature to 0.3. And I've got other things in this custom prompt. If you want to use the custom prompts, we have a Notion doc. I'll put the link down below so you can find it. And I'll just do this. Okay. And once I'm done, I'm going to close it. I've turned it on. I'm going to go ahead and do YouTube videos. Actually, I'm going to skip this one for now because it's e-bike buying tips, and I'll pick it up inside of AIMasher. Now, I'm going to leave the rest of these off, and I'm going to start my bulk rider right here. I want to confirm. Absolutely. Say OK. And that's all there is to it. You simply start here with AI Vault, run your topical authority, and then you're going to import that topical authority by going down here and clicking Add, give it a name, import it, CSV, upload. When you do that, then you're going to come down here and say, what do you want to do with it? I want to do a title prompt and outline focus. Okay. And then when you're ready, you come in here and activate it, and you're done. It will take anywhere from 30 seconds to maybe up to 5 minutes, depending on how many you do. And then you can copy all the enhanced prompts, or you can individually select them and then do copy selected prompts. And if you want to, you can shuffle all the rows so that if you have all of them on how-tos and then whys, and then if they're all clustered together, you can shuffle them and randomize them just by doing that. Okay, so that's how you run topical authority.